Welcome back to another episode of Mimi Styles. So today we're gonna do I don't know what, but you know, we're gonna get into it. Yeah, so stay tuned, y'all. And subscribe, comment, share with a friend, and yeah. Like, hold up, don't know what do. If you broke, then gotta let it go. If you got anybody more, period. Boss, you know what you want. Boom. Y'all like my inches? Oh, it's giving. Calling me nigga, then you calling me Bob. A Bob. I got it. Stiff wear. Stay tuned for the slay Mimi Styles. Check her out on IG, TikTok, coming soon. And y'all finna see the badness, combination. Period. Oh, you got me on the camera stripping. Okay. Back in business now, guys. Back in business.
Wait, back in business.
Yeah.
Now, you want to introduce my product?
Product of the day is Carol's daughter born to repair and made to care system. Reviving oil. You know, I'm guessing this is like for heat protecting. So we gonna see how this works today, and I'm gonna come back at the end of the video and let y'all know how I like this product. So yeah.
Stay tuned.
Get into it. Why does it feel like it's raining on me? It's raining man. Hallelujah, it's raining man. What if that was for real possible though?
I ain't gonna snatch one.
If it start raining, Michael B. Jordan.
I need to rain Chris Hemsworth. Just rain him
the
down.
British guy?
British. He is Australian, darling.
Oh, I thought they sound the same to me.
Ah, what a shame.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell swing and... Here we go!
Y'all follow me on IG, Janelle__. Yeah, y'all know what to do. So y'all know all hair types matter, even or C. Even if you think you have naps, Mimi Styles, he gonna get you right. Look. Yeah.
Picture frozen landscape, chill this room for 24 days. Evergreen, sparkling snow, get this winter over with. Flashback to springtime, saw him again. Would have been good to go for lunch. Couldn't agree, and we were both free. We tried, we said we'd keep in touch. Didn't, of course, till summertime. Out to the beach to his boat, could I join him? No, this time it was me. Sunburn in the 3rd degree. Now the calendar's just one page. Of course I am excited. Tonight's the night I've set my mind. I could do too much about it.
all hair types matter. Don't let these men out here fool you into thinking you need to wear a wig or a weave. Like, y'all black men need to get it together, because we don't have the money to be wearing wigs and weaves every day. Like, you gonna love me like this, or you finna...
Oh, you finna love me.
Okay, so now that the blow drying process is over, and so is our praise and worship, starting off the ponytail, we're going to use the lock gel, because especially being that she's not straightening her hair to do the ponytail style, you need to be able to slick back her hair, and you want to use something that is resourceful and good and dependable. So we're going to start with a lock gel, and we're just going to paste it all over the front of her hair, so that way we can start doing the 2 braids on both sides.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Oh, yeah. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh, oh, yeah. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Yeah.
Mimi Styles, y'all need to book. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And now